Yes, 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 ladies and gentlemen, if it's Sunday, you know what time it is. Konpa Groove Sundays Club Taj Reloaded, where we keep it elegant and chic each and every week, strictly for the grown and sexy. Music by high profile DJ Stacks, the Haitian King of New York, and DJ Joel of Most Wanted Crew. It's definitely the place where we pop champagne, dance the night away, and toast to the good life. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to be among a beautiful atmosphere on Sundays, Taj is definitely the place. Just check out these images. Nice, right? Beautiful. Need a group discount? Not a problem. We welcome beautiful attendees. You just gotta be here. It's 100% pure dancing all night. Satisfaction guaranteed. It's the sexiest social gathering of the week. Ladies, you're looking to meet some stylish and dapper guys? Then look no further than Taj on Sundays. I just can't paint the picture any clearer. It's beautiful people having a good time. Why would you want to miss it? Spread the word, cause it doesn't get any better than this on Sundays. Ladies are free before midnight, each and every Sunday except for long weekend holidays. The more the merrier, we welcome you all. We got the Konpa, we got the ZOUK, we got beautiful people, we got the #1 DJ. I guarantee Taj will never be the same again. On Sundays, all roads lead to Club Taj. Mes amis, profitez! See you there.